Hey there, how's it going? If you're tired of saying, I am fine, thank you, we've got some fresh alternatives for you. Instead of the usual response, you can say, I'm doing well. For example, I'm doing well, how about you? Another option is, I'm great, thanks for asking. You could use it like, I'm great, thanks for asking. How's everything on your end? Feel like changing it up a bit? Try, I'm doing all right. In a conversation, it could be, I'm doing all right, and you? Feeling fantastic? Go with, I'm fantastic, thanks. A great example is, I'm fantastic, thanks. What's new with you? For a casual vibe, say, can't complain. You can use it like, can't complain, what about you? If you're in a cheerful mood, I'm happy as a clam. Fits well. For example, I'm happy as a clam, how have you been? Want to sound more relaxed? I'm pretty good, works. For instance, I'm pretty good, what's up with you? Feeling on top of the world? Say, I'm on cloud 9. You might use it like, I'm on cloud 9, how's your day going? You can also say, I'm in high spirits. For example, I'm in high spirits, thanks for asking. What about you? If you're feeling calm, I'm at peace is a nice choice. You could say, I'm at peace, how are you? For a balanced response, I'm doing just fine, works well. A good example is, I'm doing just fine, how's everything with you? These alternatives will keep your conversations fresh and engaging. Try them out next time someone asks, how are you? Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.